Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot ham and penny pasta. Alright guys, I'm starting out on my Instant Pot and I have it set on saute and it's hot. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil into the pot. Probably about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3. Now I have 1 onion I diced up. I'm going to get that in there. And I have 1 pound of diced ham. I'm going to get that in there. And I'm going to allow that to saute till the onions start to soften and turn translucent. Right now that my onions are translucent and starting to soften up, I'm going to add in my spices. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of oregano, a quarter of a teaspoon of red crushed pepper, and about 3 teaspoons of diced up garlic. I've used 3 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to allow this to cook for a few more minutes to get the spices all nice and cooked in there. Alright, now let this cook for a few minutes and my spices are all nice and cooked in there. I'm going to add in 3 cups of chicken broth. And this is a 4-cup container, guys, so I'm just going to pretty much judge what I'm putting in. I'm also going to add in 2 cups of milk. And I'm scraping off the sides of the pot to get off the ingredients on the sides. I'm going to add in a quarter of a cup of flour. I'm going to add in a 12-ounce package of frozen peas. And I'm going to add in a 16-ounce pack of penny pasta. Going to give that a stir. I'm going to put my lid on here. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. After the 8 minutes, I'm going to let it do a natural release of pressure for 5 minutes, and I'll release the rest of pressure manually. Alright guys, this is done. I just released the pressure. Now I'm going to add in some shredded parmesan cheese. I'm going to go for about a half a cup. And I'm going to give this a stir. It'll look prettier once I start. Let me grab a towel because this is hot. You can see how that pasta drank up all of that liquid and it's nice and creamy. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got, guys. I also want to add some extra Parmesan cheese on top. Let me get in here and try this. It's nice and cheesy. It's really good, guys. Cheesy, creamy, well seasoned. It's really delicious, really easy, 1 pot. You can't beat that. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot ham and penny pasta. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.